Here is how to import contacts into Zoho Books step by step. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the section that matches the type of contact you want to bring in. If you are importing customers, open Sales and then select Customers. If you are importing vendors, open Purchases and then select Vendors. This matters because the import option appears inside the area for the contact type you are working with. When you are on the Customers or Vendors page, look to the top right corner for the More menu, shown as three dots. Click that menu and choose either Import Customers or Import Vendors, depending on the section you opened. This takes you to the import flow for that contact group. On the next screen, choose the type of record you want to import. Zoho Books lets you import either customers or customers' contact persons. Select the one that matches your file, then click Continue. Make sure the choice matches the data in your spreadsheet before moving forward, since this affects how the file will be read during the next steps. Now click Choose File and select the file from your computer. Zoho Books accepts CSV, TSV, and XLS formats here. After selecting the file, review the duplicate handling setting and adjust it if needed. If your file uses a specific character format, check the character encoding option as well. These settings help Zoho Books interpret the file correctly and decide what to do with records that may already exist. Once everything looks right, click Next. You will then arrive at the field mapping page. This is where each column from your file is matched to a field in Zoho Books. Go through the list carefully and confirm that names, company details, email fields, addresses, and any other contact information are connected to the correct destination fields. If something is mapped incorrectly or left unmatched, adjust it before continuing. When the mappings are correct, click Next. The next screen shows a preview of the import. Use this step to review the data before it is added to your account. Check for import errors, missing matches, or unmapped fields. If something looks off, this is the point to catch it. If the preview is correct, click Import to start the process. Zoho Books will take a moment to process the file. When the import finishes, review the summary screen. This page shows whether your contacts were imported successfully and also reports any rows that failed or need attention. If there are errors, use the summary to identify what needs to be corrected before trying again. If everything imported as expected, you are done. Your contacts are now imported into Zoho Books, and the results have been confirmed in the import summary.